How to view chat history on DeepSeek AI. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view chat history on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the DeepSeek AI application on your phone, or you can even use it on PC. So on both of the devices, the steps are the same, and even if you're using iPhone or Android, the steps are same. So once you click on the DeepSeek AI application or open it on your PC, you'll be redirected to the chats. So in order to view your chat history and see where are all of your chats, for example, if there is any chat that you had in past and you wish to get an access to that, so what you got to do is click on these two lines over here, and here are all of the chats that you had previously have with DeepSeek AI. So now you can see that I can click on this and you can see that I've I'm able to scroll through my previous chat, and you can even click on any other, for example this one. So that was how you can view your previous chat history on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.